Hello everyone. In this project, we will learn how to remove audio from a footage and how to add a new audio in that same footage. So let's take a look how to remove an audio clip from a footage. Here is a video clip in our project panel. I'm selecting this clip. Let me play this video clip. I'm playing in our source monitor. We want to remove the sound clip from here and we want to add a new sound clip to this video clip. There is two options for removing this sound clip. So let me show you the first option. The first option is I am adding to this video clip along with the sound clip to our project timeline. I'm adding in here and you can take a look, the sound clip is added with this video clip, and from here you can remove the audio clip. You have to select this clip on your timeline and then you have to press right button in your mouse, and here is an option named unlink. I'm selecting unlink and now I am selecting this audio clip in here and I'm pressing delete button from my keyboard. You can take a look, the audio clip is removed from this video clip. And let me play this video clip in our program monitor. Here is no sound clip in this video clip. So this is how you will remove the sound clip from a video clip. And now I will add a new audio clip in this video clip. So let me import a music audio clip in our project panel. I'm importing from file menu and then import option, and here is some mp3 files are available in here, and I'm selecting this morning mandolin and I'm selecting open option, and here is a music file only, and I will put this music file in our audio track 1 bar. So I am adding this music file to our audio track 1 bar, and now let me play this video clip. So this is awesome. So this is how you will remove an audio clip and add a new audio clip in a video footage. So I just used a way how to remove an audio clip from a footage, and there is another option how you can remove the audio clip from a footage and you can add a new audio clip in that same video clip, and let me show you. So I am removing this video clip and audio clip from our timeline, and let me select this file and I am selecting this marking option in our source monitor, and I am selecting that mark out option in our source monitor, and here is the drag video only option in here. So I am using this drag video only option in here and I am adding this video to our video track 1 bar, and you can take a look, there is no sound clip is added to our audio track bar. Let me play this video clip. Here is no music or no audio clip is added, and now I will add this morning mandolin mp3 files, these audio files I will add in our audio track 1 bar. So let me play this video clip in our timeline. take a look. Our audio clip is removed and a new audio clip is added to our video file. So this is how you will remove any audio clip from a footage, and you can add a new audio clip with this same video file. Thank you.